Okay, welcome guys to Coplanar Tech. In today's video, we'll be learning about HTML. What is HTML? So the introduction to HTML. So HTML is it stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is a markup language for creating websites, and it describes the structure of a web page. So it consists of series of elements that tells a browser like Chrome or Safari how to display the content of that browser. So, and then the elements label pieces of content. The elements in an HTML page, it labels the pieces of content such as the heading, paragraph, and links. So let's look at a sample HTML code. So this is just a basic HTML code I typed in Notepad. So in order to run HTML code, you need a text editor. For now, I'm using Notepad due to this being an introduction. So we have, this is just a skeleton of HTML page. So we have document type HTML, the head, title, the body, heading, paragraph, and then you close each tag. So the document type, this it declares and or defines the document is what? It's an HTML5 document. An HTML5 document. So, and then the HTML tag, this it's the root element of an HTML page. The head contains of the meta information about the HTML page. The title specifies a title for the HTML page, which is always shown in the browser bar, the title bar of a browser, or the tab of a page. So the body defines the document's body, and then it's a container for all visible contents such as the heading, paragraph, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, and so on. This H1, it defines a large heading. We have so many headings in HTML. It's from H1 to H6, and H1 being the largest, H6 is the smallest. And the P element, it defines a paragraph. So all these are elements, this P, this H1. So what's an HTML element? So an element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. Example, we have, so these are the tags. So this is a start tag, this the less than sign is a start tag, some content. Sorry, this is a start tag. So let's say P is a start tag, some content in the middle. Anytime you are beginning a tag, you use the less than sign. So, and then this is a tag, some contents like my first paragraph, and then a closing tag. The closing tag should have this backslash with the elements. So this is what we define as an HTML element. And then some HTML elements have no content, and then these elements are what? Empty spaces, and they do not have an end tag. The more we go on, we'll look at these type of elements. An example is BR, break, there are so many other elements. Okay, so let's run this this code. This is our first code. Document type HTML. So HTML, we just open the tag, the head, title. We open the title. This is the page title, and then we closed the title with a backslash. Then we over here we closed the head, so it's like a container. So the title and the page, the title is in the head, so the head is closed. And now we open another tag, the body, and we typed in the heading. We opened it and we closed it. This is the content. And the paragraph, we opened it and we closed it. And we closed the body over here. So this is it. We closed it. This is the opening tag for the body. This is the closing tag in HTML. In order to save this, okay, so let's clear this from here. So let's save this. Save as. So in saving HTML document, then you end it with a file extension HTML. So example, I want to save this as my first HTML, or my first website. Then I'll save it with a .html. So then I just save. Now when you save it with the HTML tag, comes over here, my first website. This is it. And we run it. It's running. My PC is very slow, but take it like that. So this is how it comes. So my first heading and then my first paragraph. So this is the body. Only the contents of the body will show in an HTML page. So in the body we had H1, my first heading. This is it. And then we have the P, my first paragraph, the P tag. This is it. Okay. So we just save it as with the file extension .html, and that's all. So let's try and see what we can. Let's try the types, all the 6 types of heading we have. We have H2, my second heading. There are 6 headings you can use in an HTML document, H1 to H6. So you close the tab in H2. The third one, to H2. My second heading. it goes up to H6. So then just save. After you save, just run this, and then it comes. So the H1 will show that is the largest heading ever. And then we go to the fourth. So if you keep on typing H5 and H6, you see the font size will keep reducing. So okay guys, thank you for watching this video. So remember to like, subscribe, and then comment if you have any additional information you want to add. Thank you guys.